Hey, that probably take her.
What's up everybody, my name is Sammy if you are new, and welcome to my first makeup tutorial. Today I am bringing you a natural looking makeup look. I used to wear a lot of makeup, like a lot of makeup, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I just kind of grew out of it, and I'm also a lot more lazy now with my makeup routine. So I actually don't really ever wear makeup to even school now, and when I do get ready, this is the look I like to go for, so I decided to share it with you today. I have some Halloween videos coming up, I have more covers, I have so many things planned out, and I'm so excited about it, so I hope you guys tune in. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I have no makeup on right now, and the only moisturizer I put on my face today is the Daily Facial Moisturizer by Cetaphil, and it has SPF in it, so I feel like it does a good job. I'm not really sure. I've been using it for a while. So the very first product I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. I think I like it. I don't really know. I don't know if it does anything, but I use it, and I use like a pea-size amount. So I just kind of just rub it all over my skin and hope that it makes a difference. Also, side note, I don't have my ring light on. I'm using natural lighting. It's like overcast today, but hopefully you're getting a better look. I feel like the ring light kind of like flushes out my face a little bit, and if I'm going to do a makeup video, I kind of want you guys to see my skin for how it actually is. And then I'm going to use my Stay Matte Rimmel Powder, and I'm in Creamy Natural, and I just use like a tiny bit of this. I don't really use that much. Also, I have like a weird eye twitch thing happening right now. My left eye keeps twitching, so I'm like hoping that that doesn't happen in this video. Alright guys, so that's it for the skin. The next thing I do is I fill in my eyebrows. So I'm going to start by using, I don't even know what these are called, but I use this little brush thing, and I'm going to just brush out my eyebrow. And then I like using the Naked Urban Decay Basics palette, and you can see I really love this one. It's the Naked 2. I'm going to take that on an angled brush, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with this. Okay, so once I fill it in with that, I like to use my, again, very well loved Anastasia brow pencil, and I use the color Taupe. Just gonna kind of outline my eyebrows because my eyebrows are really light and faint. Okay guys, so I just filled in my eyebrows, and I'm gonna set it with my Great Lash Clear Mascara. Okay, so the next thing I do is I use my Colossal Cat Eyes Mascara, and I'm going to put this on my bottom lashes. Okay, so then I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my Shoot Rumor Eyelash Curler, which is my favorite, and I curl it pretty intensely just because I like that look. One crucial part, I think, to making your eyelashes look good is combing through them. So I am going to use, again, whatever this is called, and I'm just going to comb through my eyelashes. And then I'm going to apply 2 coats of the Maybelline Falsies Waterproof Mascara, which is my favorite. It's so good. Okay, so I just did 2 really light coats of the mascara, and that's pretty much it. I don't know, you guys, I don't really put on that much makeup anymore, so this is pretty much the completed look, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is my makeup routine. Tune in on Friday again, where I am posting a kind of nerve-wracking video, but it's gonna be good, I think. I hope so. Have a great week, guys. Bye.
Everything around me.